So we're shortly expecting comments from Fed's Kashkari, who again is not going to release a text, but there will be a Q&A.
So I think this hits 500.
Daddy, chill.
Mr. Bob. Let's look what we got here. Way over the volume. Okay, so we're looking to see where high volume top is. We definitely can go to 550 for sure. Yeah, I still think this looks grindish. The 1 minute says buy. I kind of want to just throw one on. I'm gonna throw one on. We're gonna go long. So what happened was, it's continuing up, continuing up. It pulls back to this order block here. Bounces, gives a buy signal, and we're still around that area. So we're gonna continue up, I think. Oh no, we gotta turn this on. Holy shit. Sorry, Keisha. 520. Why do you think 520? Just because it's oversold, overbought? I mean, there's no real such thing as overbought on here. What's the news here? Fed said a lot of stuff. Gulf states, Kuwait, blah, blah, blah. I don't really see anything. This looks like a grind up. I know they were going to China soon, right? Yeah, overall, I think 30K too. Gold go up. I'm getting short on golds, but it depends on what gold does around 4,700. Antonio. Let's go.
Daddy, chill.
It is around VWAP. It broke above it. Now it's trying to retest, so we'll see right here probably. Come on. I sent 6 micros in at 29,330. Woo! That's a big one, boy. That's a big one. 6 micros and you have them all? You gangsta, bro. You gangsta. How are you, bully? I'm alright. I'm a little tired. I didn't get done with work till like almost 7 a.m. But, you know, sometimes you gotta hustle a little bit. I don't want to abandon you guys. Not abandon you guys, but you know what I mean. It was a win or lose. Oh, well, you're definitely up now, Tom. I needed to come up here, I feel like. Nah. This is a pretty big level here. 447s. 338s. Stones may break my bones. So I might actually want to come back and retest that. You're only up 1,800 out that? thought you'd
with
be
the
up way, way
information,
more.
Apple is exploring ways to welcome AI agents into the App Store.
Ooh, AI agents into the App Store? What the fuck are they? That'd be crazy. See what the video's doing. How you guys doing for today, trading wise? Was it easy or not? The video's kind of slow. I'm nervous once come down here to like 447s again. Ah, 600. Nice, dude. Nice. This thing is a grind. This thing was grindy as fuck. Is that how you guys have been trading all day? In frustration? Because it looks like it's going to pull back like 10 times and it rips up.
The Bank of Canada's meeting minutes.
Yesterday I didn't really trade too much. I hopped on for 15 minutes. I made $1,000 somehow and I was like, all right, I'm done. Let's see, 930. Right to VWAP. Rejects. This would have been a great fucking short. We would have got this for sure.
Put the article by the information on the feed for those interested.
Oh man, that would have been a 200-point win right there easily. Well, we probably would have got out like at least scaled out 150 points there. We would have longed it here, but I don't know how much points we would have got. We probably only got like 50 here. Again, you got to bounce here. If you went to break even, would have been good. And then you probably should have noticed it's probably going to keep grinding. It looks pretty hard here, though, from 11 to about 12. I wouldn't doubt some of you guys got chopped up here. Oof. It's alright, man. Shit happens, bro. Yesterday was up almost 3K, then lost 2 counts. Fuck. I mean, it happens. I'm just gonna try to trade small as shit, you know, until we can get it going. I'm on 3 funded now, so I'm ready, Daddy. Daddy's ready. I don't see why this doesn't blast through 500. We're gonna have to see. Like 550's on the horizon here. Yeah, because you don't trust it. I can look at the market. It doesn't look really trustworthy. Is that how you guys been feeling today? I don't see any real news. It looks like just that fake bullshit fucking jab news. You know what I mean? All right. See how it's curling here? See what we got. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we're about to get another buy here. I'm going to put 1 buy again. I'll get in 2 if it pops up. Every time I have a big trade, I can have a massive candle down every time. The problem is that those massive candles are probably just regular pullbacks in this market. Like, just a little bit, like, just collective. It's just that they're huge. Hey, guys, if you don't mind, we got 36 people in here. Let me just get a few love taps. I got 104 likes only. I got to stay out of TikTok jail. You know what I mean? Give me 50. It'll take you about 2 seconds each. Help a brother out. All right, so this needs to reject here. If not, it's going to come down even lower, like 72s. And then if it really doesn't, then we got 445s. You round trip 2K before? very good, sir. All right, we're back in that area. Definitely gonna have some trouble here. It needs to rip up now, or we're gonna go sideways. You got the cookie cloud at 462. A lot of different things are gonna happen right this second. Okay, we're gonna look at this level here. If it can't hold, then we probably gotta close and then reassess. Reassess. Doesn't look that great, to be honest with you. One fucking trade is $50, bro. Times whatever I got. Alright, we're out of this. Wait, let's look at the 30 seconds. Look at this fucking thing, bro.
We see the release of the Bank of Canada meeting minutes.
Yo, I want to get out, but you're like, does this go up? Alright, we're just gonna close it. We're gonna close it. I know it looks potentially to go up, but we got to stick to the strategy here. This is sloppy. Oh, look at that 5-minute. Touch the butt. It's going to go up. Oh, it's going to go up. It really just wanted to touch the fucking 5-minute butt here. Look at this. Fucking love tapped it. It's going to be like this, guys. Be one of those days. Rips up. All right, we need to get past this here. This is going to be the do or die area. I'll go to the 30-second to see. What a pain in the balls. Is that how today's been? Looks like it wants to go one way and then it goes, woo! Woo, daddy! I'll teach you how to trade, psych. Okay, we're up past this, so I'm thinking we're going up, man. Sucks I closed it. I can get that back in like 2 seconds, though. All right, let's go. Let's see here. NVIDIA is still just like playing around, but this is a buy in NVIDIA. Tom Williams, your finger is tough, kid. Mr. Bob, boss, thank you so much. The rest of you, you're going in the fucking dungeon.
Fed's Kashkari says inflation.
Fucking dungeon. See, like, this is confusing. This looks like it wants to go up in the video. Wow, this thing is fucking ripping. All right, I'm going into. It's doing what I originally thought. It's just soul collecting. You got a 30-second here. If it starts rejecting, we could probably pull back to 477s. But if it doesn't, it's mooning. It's mooning. Fuck, there's a rejection in the 30-second.
Huge question mark about how long the Hormuz Strait will be closed, and that will have a big effect on inflation.
Yeah, there on the 30-second chart, here's a short. I would have entered in here. Probably got out around 77s.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump.
Is the 30-second chart the way to trade today? Just scalping? Look at the 5. It looks fucking beautiful to go up in the 5.
1 minute remaining till we get the Bank of Canada meeting
And
minutes.
fully engulfing candle. Engulfing candle is when the previous candle is inside the Big Daddy candle. So it engulfed it and ate it. It said, fuck you, this is my chart.
Back to 2% inflation, and we should not move the goalpost.
Who's talking now? Fred Kashkari. Well, we got the BOC meeting minutes in 30 seconds. Fuck. You guys should have warned me, bro. That could be crazy, just to let you know. Crazy. It's literally in 34 seconds. Be careful.
So the Bank of Canada, they're releasing their minutes here. They say governors felt that the situation could change quickly and rates might have to go up to guard against persistent inflation. The governors felt that the bank needed to be prepared for adverse outcomes when it came to US trade policy, and they felt that if oil prices stayed high for a prolonged period and fueled inflation, rates would need to go up. They acknowledged that there could be less excess supply than assessed, and the output gap could close faster than forecast. The governors felt that they could look through an initial inflation shock from higher oil prices. They had a range of views about the Middle East conflict and the USMCA review, and thus most likely path forward for rates. In this case, the degree of tightening would also depend on investment in the energy sector and the response in the exchange rate.
What do you want to do?
Fed's Kashkari says the labor market is moving sideways and is lukewarm.
Come on,
And
yo,
says the Iran shock has upended the inflation environment.
Seems like it doesn't care. Let's go. Move this bitch. So, this is where we would have got out. 77s, exactly like I called. Let's see. I had to scalp in the 30-second instead. Come on. Get your booty up there, girl.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Is that you?
Bro got like 5Ks now. My man. Let's see. Let's see. Mr. Bob with the strong fingers. About 8. Tom Williams 6. Everybody else dungeon. 3 of you guys are holding me up. What is this? What is this shit? They're waiting for me to make them some money. That's why. They're like, this guy's fucking failing us. Appreciate you guys, though. Yeah, look at this fucking thing. You know, these guys are just talking. Fucking everything up, bro.
We have posted the full Bank of Canada meeting
Alright,
minutes.
this is where I'm going to go in. See how it went to this order block and it just fucking rejected? Liberty, I missed you. Where have you been all my life?
The loss. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I'm in longs. But this is very choppy, so just be careful. But we definitely rejected this area like 3 times. Hey! Where you been, bro? You took a break? I needed a break too. I haven't been on too much. I've been working a lot this week. All right, we good. We Gucci, bro. Come on, rip past 85s. It was a difficult market anyway. We had to size down. I was making too much money and losing too much money in one day. It's still pretty difficult, so make sure you just stay low. Like, trade small. But dude, I was making 10K a day and then losing it by fucking 3 p.m. I was like, what the fuck's going on? So I had to size down. Because that emotionally was fucking me up, I think. Man, that fair value gap's a little strong in the 30-second, huh? See, the 1 minute saying bye too, guys. Five-minute touching it again. Oh, yeah, there is no news. No news. They're just ripping this to the moon. What I think is going to happen is they're going to rip this to the moon on purpose. And then bad news will happen, right? Say we get to like the 33s, 35s, and then it falls. What's going to happen? It's only going to fall to like 25K, which is huge, right? A huge move, 10,000 point drop. But on paper, it's actually not that bad. So I'm thinking they're going to do something like that. I mean, this looks to go up. But it's fighting again. If it does, it can't hold. It's dropping down to 46s. That sucks. I went in a little bit heavier because it looked like it was going to go up. We're still chilling, though. Give me another break here, which should confirm it to go up. Bro, the move is over already? What does that mean? There you go. Okay, that's another good bullish move there. So it happened twice. If it fails, then the shorts are getting in here pretty strong, so be careful. Delta's still stronger. You got one bad one, but the rest, it's still building up. The buys happened already. Take the day off. Oh, I'm sorry, fucking Mr. Guru. I just got on.
Fed's Kashkari says, I'm not sure that the Fed's policy rate decisions will have much effect on mortgage rates.
Take the day off. Suck a D. How about that? Oh, yeah. Strong fingers, Mr. Bob, bro. Mr. Bob has got you guys beat. Yeah, I'm just joking with you, LSF. We're scalping. It's not a big deal. If it wants to short, we will short it. You know what I mean? LSFX, I would literally, if you want to like put money on the line, we could. I was just joking, but I love TikTok. Steve A. More time. I love TikTok. Let's see. I really want to grab Elusive Flex, but I should warm back up with a 90% off Apex. So I love Apex because it gives you the most if you were to stack. I'm not gonna lie, their activation fee is a little bit pricey. I just paid $120. But it is good to, have that $35 count in case you fuck up. Just 5 minute is like just chilling.
Fed's
15 minute.
says even if the Hormuz Strait reopens, it will be months before supply
It is getting a
chains
little
return to normal.
difficult. Apex though, like they're paying out really nice. Like they're doing it pretty good. So like if you're good and you can stack, go for it for sure. And then also, I always recommend new beginners to learn on Apex too. But I feel like the activation fee is a little bit steep. But it is end of day
Cash Price says, I'm
drawdown.
not surprised by the headline inflation rise. What matters is how persistent the strait closure is.
Czar Trader, the market is wild, crazy fun 48 hours. So we got to be careful because, Stevie, believe it or not, I didn't like it at first, but it's kind of saved me numerous times now. It's kind of saved me a lot. I thought I didn't like it. Well, I haven't had a payout, the new Apex style. I don't want to jinx myself. I'm like fucking right there for a payout. I think I qualify for a payout now. Yeah, you gotta like time it right, Stevie, for sure. That's the only thing that really messed me up. I do miss the full porting though. But it's showing me patience too, It's teaching me a little patience because I'm like, bro, if I full port this, like, there's a good chance I'm gonna whack my fucking daily loss limit. So we gotta go quarter full port. They were getting rinsed. You think so? Oh, on the gold and stuff? They were getting murdered, bro. Bro, I was up like $55,000 with them in January with because of gold. Yeah, I lost the 55K in one day too. They should have left the old style alone, right? And then just what's it called? Reduce the size on gold. And maybe keep up their max payout thing. I don't know, because there was a lot of people that steered him there too. Like, the possibility of getting $1 million payout was intriguing. Oh, yeah. I mean, Apex is definitely upgrading a lot with their dashboards and stuff. It's like a 180 for sure so far. I mean, it's definitely not up to Lucid standards. Yeah, that was an issue, dude. That was an issue. I mean, anybody that owns a fund, like, that was ruining them. They called out, so a lot of the big timers were pissed off at Apex because they started denying their payouts and stuff, but they retaliated, was crossing out the names and saying, we're not going to say names, but we'll show you how many accounts they were hedging. Some of them had hundreds of accounts that they were destroying just to make like $30,000. I mean, they were still up though because they were making that money. But yeah, Apex clapped back on that. Overall, so much better though than what it was. The price is just a little bit pricey for me. The activation. If they can move that activation to let's say $80, right? Because I just paid $130. I don't know why. I could have sworn it said $100 for activation, but yeah, $65. Yeah, that's my only complaint right now, and I actually emailed them that because my affiliate money going to Apex definitely slowed down, guys. You guys aren't using it that much. What are you guys all using? Just curious. I do like Lucid, but Apex you could stack a lot, man. I'm giving them a chance here. Funded Family Futures, is that what you're using? Yeah, I can't take the name serious. I just can't do it. Oh, you like Top Step still? I saw that Top Step has instant payouts now. Family Futures fucked. Yeah, what a weird name. What a weird name. If you do use 500, the Velocity plan is the best as far as cheap. It's $25 for 50. Yeah, they still have that deal, Stevie. Zara says Lucid and Tradeify only daily accounts. I wish Tradeify was 2 days to pass. I don't like their 5-day pass. I mean, their 5-day payout. Their daily payout does look interesting. I just feel like something's missing. There's another one called shit. I have to go through my history here. There's another one called and lift you up. Oh man, I'm not gonna be able to find it. I got all my old stuff on here. It was a take profit trader. Uh-oh, this denied fucking really good there at the 30 seconds. 1 minute we Gucci, but that was a pretty big deny. Wow. I don't want to go in too heavy, but that was a nice pullback. I would have took my profit there. Yeah, I wish it was 2 days. 3 days is too much for me. Yeah, the fund is intraday. So there's another one, Stevie, that's like Take Profit Trader. I think it's a 2-day pass or a 3-day pass, depending on which one you pick. The 2-day pass is more expensive by like $10, but it's end of day drawdown, daily payouts. Pretty wild. So I'm like, oh shit. I gotta look at it though. I can't remember what the fuck the name is. Anybody remember the name? Something Desk? I need to look into it more. I think I can't live without end of day, or you can live with end of day. Top one sucks dick, Czar. They feel like a fucking scam to me. Oh, you just bought a couple today? Sorry to say that. I don't like top one. Man, what the hell is it called? Something desk. Desk. Seat. Funded. Funded seat. There you go. Funded seat. Let's go over the funded seat right here. So, let's just go off of $50 accounts. They got 60% off. The daily is... So you got a choice. You got a consistency of 35% or 50%. 35% is $99. The 50% 2 days is $134. It's end of day drawdown. Make 3K. 2K drawdown, end of day. Now the funded rules is, here's the issue. There's a soft breach of 1,000. So, you know, it's like Apex all over again there. Drawdown is 2K, but you can get payouts on day one. Let's see what the let's see what how much money you need though. Trying to see if there's a buffer. Alright, so you need $2,100 buffer. Doesn't does Take Profit Trader have a buffer? I can't remember. And this agency has been around for about 8 months, I think, too. And I'm hearing that they pay out. I'm hearing that they pay out. Like, that was a denial there again, guys. 2,100. Okay, so same thing. Lost with me with the soft rule. I don't like the soft rule, too. But you know what, dude? It saved my accounts a few times. I usually never get close to $1,000 drawdown. But when I do, I'm usually fucking up, if that makes sense. Stevie said, Top Step is falling apart. They've gone under. Only thing keeping them alive is Project X. Well, they have, they just got instant payouts today. I saw the email. Instant payouts for Top Step.
Fed's Kashkari says the Fed chair has a lot of influence.
So instant payout and what else was it?
The Kashkari clarifies that the Fed chair is one of 12 voters on
Oh,
Fed policy.
you know what? Let me check for the max payout. Hey, does Tradeify have max soft breach or no? You could take out 1,000 a day on the 50K account. Oh, daily. It does have a daily loss limit? Hey, make sure you guys sign up for that Tradeify challenge, guys. We can do it together. You know, if I do good in that Tradeify, it's gonna put Bully Bears on the map. And then they got 1v1s. You know, Daddy slays on the 1-days. Let's see, 50K. Yep, there's a daily loss limit. So, and it's about the same price. So pick your poison there. Pick your poison. Do you want the 2-day pass or the 3 days? What was my biggest single trade? Oh, God. I've done over 20K. But it wasn't healthy. I was making good money, but like the emotions behind that is rough. It's definitely rough. I was trading 150Ks, like multiple. Just stick with take profit. I can't stick with take profit trader. It makes me gamble. So I went over my taxes for take profit trader. I made like 31,000. Don't quote me on the exact number, but I spent $19,000 on resets with them. Yeah, I came out on top, but I feel like that was a little excessively heavy because they got the instant funded resets, and you could do it 3 times. So say you got a 150K account, it's $1,500 a reset. So imagine you just fucking tilting and hitting that reset $1,500 3 times in a day. So I was, what, $4,500? Dude, I was probably doing like... I probably did like almost 15,000 in resets just because I was angry. Not good. I can't do that. You can't do that. So I kind of stayed away from Take Profit Trader. They always paid me out, though. What's Bob? Nah, don't do it, Bob. It's not worth it. Dead ass. It ain't worth it. It's too much money. Yeah, it's too much money, Bob. Don't do it. Please, learn from me. A lot of money, bro. It adds up quick. I wouldn't do it. Don't do it, Bob. Just fucking get a new one and slowly get it out. Don't do it. Oh, man, this is grinding down slowly here. We've got to be careful. I advise not to. I literally walked away from it because it was really hurting me, man. I mean, yeah, I came out on top, but... You know, at what cost? You know, what if I didn't? What if I didn't? I would have probably really got hurt. So that's my only gripe with them. And they got rid of that stupid rule if you don't close a trade, they fucking close your entire account. They got rid of that. That was such a scam move. I don't like this fucking price action. Like, give me a fucking break here. What's it doing? Accumulating down or going up? Like, this is pretty big loss for no reason here. Fuck. Pissing me off there. This is a bigger loss than I wanted. I was chit-chatting too much. Because there's too many levels that I see here that has possibility of going up. I shouldn't do that, though, at this size, though, if that makes sense. Like, I should have did that with a 1 going down. No, I agree. Let's see if it bounces here, though. Oh, we're right on it. Right on that line. See what happens. Might get another long here, though. 15 seconds. Yeah, the cloud looks great on the 5-minute for sure. If it can't hold that area, though, it's going to go down. See how it's oversold, too? It's chilling in this area. We got 2 reasons why this should launch up right this second. And 1 reason to go down, and that's to fill more orders. And we kind of accumulated to the downside here, but... So I got 2 reasons to go up from this point right here, and 1 good reason to go down. So I wish I can get a 3rd, which would be a hammer with a rejection to the upside. Like, this looks good again to rip the fuck up, bro. There we go. I'm gonna add 1 more like I was just normally trading. Couple areas it needs to get through here. Looks Gucci. Got some balls of steel there, Kaz. You see me? No emotions. No emotions. They're gone. They're fried. Years of trading of psychology. No, if it dead ass, if it went below this, I would have probably started to close. Fry mine? You gotta put your head in the microwave, bro. So this could be trying to extend this out, but you know it's gonna be a pain in the ass. So it could be coming to retouch again. But I'm really curious if it wants this or not, you know? V-shape recovery. $200, it'll take it long. How much further was the 200? I got the 150, which is down here. I'm sure it's around here somewhere. Look at that fucking recovery. I felt like it didn't make sense, but you know, you gotta. There's probably like an ABC here, and that's what this was. And that 5-minute, you know, loves to touch that booty. Oh, that's a 15-minute. Oh, the 15-minute touched. So, like, you got another reason there, you know? So, 5-minute kind of held. All right, so you see how it's rejecting this a little bit? Be careful here.
According to the New York Times, Chinese firms have been discussing arms sales to Iran.
I'm gonna put a stop loss below this candle. It's an indecision candle. If it starts to break below, we can honestly start falling a little bit. But it looks like it wants to poke up, baby. We should take one out. Comes up a little higher. Come on.
A New York Times cites US officials on possible China-Iran arms sales.
Feel like this looks great. All right, we got out one. Make your decision. Rip up. It probably wants to touch these areas here at 486 at minimum. There you go. Okay.
We have put out the article on the feed for those interested.
Wow. Wow.
You're behind the markets. If you're
So we're gonna see. Okay, this looks strong. I'll just see if it wanted to bounce, and it looks like it does. Move this up. Might get stopped out here. I might go into a short. It just fucking goes into a hammer. All right, let's see. We got to break through this. I don't want to move it too close. Rip up. Got to go above 495s. And then most likely it is if it does. I'm pretty sure this is filled, man. This should go up. Fucking sweet. Let's go. Break that 500. Did we break the 500 yet? No. See, we need 500. Most likely we're going to go a little higher if we do. 512s. Hell yeah, let's go. Do it. Higher. There you go.
Daddy, chill.
I love it. Come on. I don't care. Dude, I got 16 people in here. I don't understand. TikTok fucking hates me, man. All right, 500s. It probably can get real nasty here. I'm hoping it's gonna break and just rip up, but it can like do like a little jerk around shit. But we're over 500 right now. Come on. Go, 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 go. There we go. Okay. Probably gonna get sloppy here. I mean, I think it ultimately will go up to 550s. Fuck yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Oh, it got me out. All right. Let's do this. Where's that guy that said I don't know what I'm doing? Fucking scrub. Yeah, scrub. Yeah, fucking scrub. Very good. So, now that we're above, next stop could be 550s. We'll have to see. I wish I was trying to move my fucking take profit order, but it filled too quick, guys.
Bank of England's man says
Where is he? I'm gonna
asked
go
on
back.
recent gilt moves, says financial landscape is relevant for rate
Look at this
decisions.
thing. Damn. So much money. It is going to go to 550. Watch. Woo! LSFX. He has 5,000 followers. I'm the only scrub that doesn't have a lot of followers for some reason. I don't know why I'm just not getting treated right on TikTok. I love TikTok.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
JB, Alas, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Maybe they think I'm a devil. Maybe they don't trust me because I got a mask on. But you know what? Eventually it'll stick. Like, oh, that guy with the mask? Yeah, bully. They'll know. My only problem with wearing a mask is like, you know, what if they challenge me to like a day trading boxing match, you know? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna box with this on? No? UFC, TikTok fighters? I'm gonna have to duct tape this to my face. Thank you, Trading Gold. All right, so now let's figure out if this is the top. What do you guys think? A lot of different variables here. I mean, we ripped up. Did we hit the 50s? Oh man, we're like a quarter point away. I'm sure we did hit the 50s on some type of firm. That's why I always, if I'm reaching, why if I'm always reaching for like a whole number like that, you should always do like a few points before, because some firms, that price actually hit. Remember, it's orders that are going through that firm, so they could have actually hit 50. Yeah, they're going to be close between the firms, but you know, a quarter point, half a point could make a difference, you know? So that's what I usually do. Trading Gold, thank you for the heart. Thank you for paying for my electricity bill. Okay, this is starting to fail in the 30-second. Do we want to risk it in this uptrend? I'm sure there's going to be some type of pullback, but what do you guys think? I don't know. Kind of want a short one for a scalp. Literally, I'm scalping, guys. Don't copy this. This could even what if it's like this? I don't know. I don't know what exactly happened. Let's see. Bank of England man asked on recent gilt moves, financial landscape, blah blah blah. I don't see anything happen. I think it just blasted through. Look at this fucking thing. All right, so maybe the 30-second isn't a good thing to do. I'm literally scalping this, guys. I don't think this is a long-term move. Oh, I don't see it as a long-term move yet. I could be wrong. You know, we could want that 554. Oof. So I just close this because this could be... Damn. 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 Going long. I'm not trying to chase, but it looks fucking super strong. I gotta be careful because I don't want to fucking... I just got the green, now back to red. This looks like it wants to continue up, though. Unless it was a fucking soul grabber. But I think this one's up higher. 600s? Make sure you guys are sizing correctly. Alright, looks bull flaggish on the 30-second chart. That shit did not hold. It fucking ripped on that denial here, so... Unless it's soul collecting, we gotta be careful. Come on, come on. Don't get froggy now. It needs to completely rip up and break this higher high now. Fuck you. Come on. Very good here. This fair value gap holds. We Gucci. That was a pretty big hammer, though. There you go. Gonna go higher. You can see the movement. Let's just see on the most micro time based here. You look Gucci to go up here, bro. 586 at minimum. Come on, daddy. It's spring loaded right now. It is locked and loaded. Trying to see if it can hold 544 closing, then we have to call this as a loss. But it does look fucking springy, bro. You can just see it in the price. I do have my afternoon stuff turned off. Should have it on for right now. Rip to the moon, baby. Come on, let's go. Can't tell if it's like this or this. 2:30. We got 30 more minutes for power hour. This could be all different ways here. Come on, break this lower high. Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing, Abbas. But there we go. Okay, that was a good move. Higher high. It broke that lower high in the 30-second. The structure's broken. This is what I see here. But I'm trying to figure out what this is, you know? Because this one's all messed up, that structure. 5 minute is crazy talk. Bro, look at these. Look at these boner candles, bro. Insane. It's like, it's ready. It's like right there. It's ready. Maverick says, today is a head scratcher for me. I struggled, but when I look back, there was clean entries to be had. The problem is the size of the candles, Maverick. I was looking too. They look really clean, but the size of the pullbacks are huge. But if you look at the whole market, it's not that big. Come on, bro. This thing is playing games, dude. I'm gonna go in a little more. See if we can get this bounce on the 1. Where's the 5? I mean, 5 is really far away again. We do not want to hold it through that. Overall, I think up. That 50 area is a doozy, though, you know? So, like, this line is not accurate. I can't get a good read on it. Unless this is it, period, and then it looks like it broke the trend line. But I can't get a good accurate reading on this. 15-minute is crazy. It might not be
NYMEX
good.
WTI crude junior futures settle at $101.02.
I'm going to close it and
down
re-enter.
$1.16 or 1.14%. NYMEX diesel June futures settle at around $3.96 a gallon. NYMEX gasoline June futures settle at around $3.61 a gallon. And NYMEX natural gas June futures settle at around $2.86.
Fucking rip up, bro. I'm shorting, but I think I'm just going to scalp these. You know it wants to pull back a little bit now. It didn't go up right away. We can at least get some money back here. You know, if it rejects here, that can go to the upside, of course. But I think we're okay for at least to touch 37s. If it keeps going, then it's going to fall pretty good. We do have a fair value gap anchor. But we would need a lower high. We do have a lower high here, but... a little difficult to read in the past few minutes. Okay. We're out 2 of those 5s. Now we're going to see what happens here. I want to go up 3. So I got 2 left. I want to see what happens here. Because we can rock it up from this moment. We probably should just take it out. I'm sorry. If you see me going back and forth, there's usually something wrong. If we break above 544, okay, so I'm in a bullish long again. Okay, 4. Can't tell if it's accumulating the rip up, guys. But this is my bullish entry. Make sure you guys are sizing correctly so you can hold just a little bit in case it gets froggy. I think this one's fucking up, dude. There it goes. All right. Where the fuck's my bully? It's not here. I must have deleted it on accident.
So just seen here, the Senate is on track to confirm Kevin Walsh as Fed Chair, with the Senate vote on Walsh Fed Chair nomination ongoing.
Come on, we closed above. Let's go. Should be Gucci to go up right now. At least for a little bit. 5.53s. I don't know. Fuck. This got really difficult to read. The only thing I can do is just stick to what I'm seeing. We got two anchors. You know, I'm looking for a lower high though, again. This is exactly what happened last time. It pulled a little bit further and then ripped the fuck back up. Alright, 30 seconds still is kind of bearish. I'm all over the place, boys. Come on, fucking delete this.
So
Yeah.
yes, Vice President Vance, currently speaking to reporters, reiterates Iran shouldn't have a nuclear weapon.
This might not be good. Alright, I probably have to close this. Fuck me. I'm waiting for like a fucking bounce, but who knows if it wants to come down. What a fucking soul grabber, bro. I'm fucking doing one step up, one fucking step down, bro. Fucking up. 5 minute, like, I need to look around at the whole picture. I'm fucking up. 500s. Let's go, come on. Drop. Sometimes you gotta adapt, man. Had a good poker face on, but now it's showing its hand, I think. I hope. I mean, we're on the 5 minute cookie. It's just gonna suck if it just bounces up and then rips down. Because you don't want to hold this because it sucks. It hurts. It hurts! Come on, daddy. Really weird price action, though. So, this is the only thing that's really making me nervous here is the 5 minute cloud. You see that it bounces every time, but it has been touching the bottom of the cloud a lot. Don't do this. Just go to your spots. Sure, how much I got fucking on Apex. About 400, 500 bucks on each one. Dude, my luck is shit right now, boys and girls. Gotta go down. It's got price action to go down. I'm gonna keep it. Come on. Deny this area and fall. Sugar, how you get so fly? Anybody else having trouble reading this, or is it just me? Like, I don't want this to do a V-shaped recovery out of nowhere. I have a fucking feeling it is. There's no reason for it to stop here except for that cloud. Fuck me, dude. Got me lifted. I went to a sell. I was in a buy and I went to the sell, and now I'm like, is it gonna V-shape recovery now? I don't know what the fuck this wants. I mean, the 15-minute is just fucking... You can't get any information on that, except that it's, you know, just monstrous candles, and it could possibly pull back. You got a fair value gap in the 15. 5-minute, you know, we're on the cloud again. But it loves to touch the bottom of it recently. You can see it's done it over and over again. So that's what I was hoping. But, you know, this thing is weird. One minute's like, it's trying to push through really hard. But there's a lot of resistance here too at the same time. I'm thinking more shorts until we get to the bottom of this, which is around 500 again. You just sold gold. It's just you. It's just you. I am down. What's that mean? Elaborate, Shannon. So we got lower high, anchors, lower high. I feel like we need to come down. Right? I mean... Yeah, right to that 500 level. Done. That lower high stuck. If we were to trade the old style, it would be 482's TP. I'm yelling timber. You like 4045, 445? I like that area too. Like, to take out the lows. That'd be pretty cool. Where's VWAP? Wow, really low. Again, like, you know, these have been really whack though. The soul collectors recently. Come on. All right, it attempted. We're about to have twin tower tweezer tops here on the fair value gap. This is a bearish candle. Go to the footprints. Curious.
So seeing here Kevin Walsh confirmed as Federal Reserve Chair in Senate vote.
Okay, so we're getting heavy. For sure. 5 instead. 7, 5. So it definitely went from 5K volume. Holy shit. 899. So we're starting to really get heavy. 1,000 right here. 12, 4, 1.4. Okay, we're out 1. Probably gonna take out. Alright, we got 6 in. So 500 hit. Let's look at the 30 in case there's no like weirdness here. There isn't. Huge candles though, man. I think we need to dip down though. Gotta see what my Okay, this is good. Big denial. Continuation play here for sure. Beautiful. Come on. It's fighting this fair value gap here. No need why it shouldn't swipe through though.
So 3 p.m. Eastern Time, expecting comments from ECB's Lane, who gives a speech at a dinner organised by the Centre for European Reform in London. The text and slides will be made available on the ECB's website.
I should probably close fucking 2 just in case. 3. Just in case, you know? I think I'm Gucci and ready for it.
JD Vance on Iran Talk says, I think we're making progress.
Getting sloppy.
And Vance on Iran has talked to Witkoff and Kushner this morning. And Vance on Iran says focused on a diplomatic pathway for now.
Fighting pretty damn hard here, boys. You gonna wait, Shannon? Yeah, it is getting a little slow.
So a reminder in 5 minutes time, expecting comments from ECB Lane, who gives a speech and a dinner organised by the Centre for European Reform in London. Text and slides will be made available on the ECB's website.
Mr. Bastard!
And Vance further saying on Iran that we've made progress since leaving Pakistan.
Dude, come on. The news.
Vance says inflation number last month was not great.
There we go. Very good. Gotta get past here. Earnings for NVIDIA? No, wasn't it last month? Christine! I don't see it, Mr. Bassett, unless I'm wrong. I thought that was last month.
Brent crude futures settle at $105.63 a barrel, down $2.14 or 1.99%.
Hi, cowboy. I don't see you in here. You didn't say hi. You just said hi to me now.
Everybody, this is Donald J. Trump.
Sometimes it's delayed, bro.
The markets. If you're a real day trader,
Alright, so my stop loss is gonna be tight as fuck here, boys. Because, I might be looking to go long if this rejects, but if it doesn't, we're gonna go down. Yeah, I thought it was like last month. We could look right at it, actually. Can't we?
Comments coming in from ECB's Lane. ECB's Lane says increase in selling price expectations suggest input cost pressures will map into higher output prices in coming months. Firm side and news-based indicators suggest current energy shock is unfolding in a less demand-supportive environment. A propagation of Iran shock may be more contained than in 2022, but stronger.
I might get tapped out here.
Averages. A mid-sized
All right,
and
I'm
not too
tapped out.
persistent overshoot could
This
warrant
closed
some
below.
adjustment, and in face of a larger and more persistent overshoot,
It
the
can
spikes
go
must be
up, but I'm
appropriately
not.
forceful or persistent. Demand
Hold on.
destruction channels limit the required adjustments in the monetary stance, and physical expansion does opposite. Optimal response might be smaller for supply disruption than for demand shock. So for that last one, ECB's lane says optimal response might be smaller for exogenous supply disruption than for demand shock.
I don't see it for today, brother. I do, like, some reason see, like, when I click on this, the AI for... so, TradingView is getting better with their AI. NVIDIA revenue, quarter 4 revenue, but I can't click on it. Man, I can't get no follow through. Maverick says. Cowboy says that's what she said. It's the 20th. Okay, okay. How you doing in these markets, Christine?
We have posted ECB's lane.
I felt like I went a little bit cuckoo here. I couldn't figure it out. But our Soul Collector, you know, was paying off lower high. So we switched and it turned out well. Now, this can be the bottom. All right? It's telling us we rejected off this area and now we got a bully block / order block, right? So when it comes down to this mid, can easily fucking bounce. So, you know, we got to watch here to the upside. Lucid F'd me yesterday really bad. Ain't using them anymore. How do they F you? They're pretty clear with their rules there, Mr. Cowboy. So let's see. It is power hour. You got agree with that trade? Yeah, that was a nice trade though overall. But man, that got confusing for a moment, man. Hey, you YT Purple app and the kick. That little bit of music that I'm playing in the background, it's okay? Does it help you, or do you like the silence better? I feel like it's at least toning out some of the deafness.
The Fed releases the May-June Treasury bill purchase schedule, and the Fed are to buy $10 billion of bills for reserve management.
I'm gonna put the treadmill on. I need to start trying to force myself back in. Hold on, okay? You know, Daddy fucking does good on the treadmill. Guys, I got nobody coming in here. I know you guys gave me a lot of likes, but I'm being punished again by TikTok. I'm not sure why. Like, what do you guys think I'm doing wrong? Maybe I'm a shit trader? I don't know.
3:15 p.m. Eastern Time. We're expecting
be a
comments
shitty
from
trader.
ECB's President Lagarde. They're giving a speech at the dinner preceding the Charlemagne Prize ceremony in Aachen, Germany. A text is expected for ECB's Lagarde.
I haven't done the treadmill in a while. I might get dizzy. No broke boys. All right. All right. Pay attention here. We need a little lower though. Hey, we're walking. We're walking. Okay. Guys, I might have to restart TikTok. I know you guys gave me so much, but I gotta restart it real quick. All I'm gonna do is turn it on and off again, alright? Come back in like 10 seconds, okay? I always feel guilty because they, they give me a lot of likes, but do 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 do. Man, this like 2 more points we would have caught this bottom if it went down just a little bit lower, but it's gonna barcode a little bit, I think. So have some patience here.
Daddy, chill.
Damn. Colin, we were like literally 0.75 away from getting in longs on there. 0.75 from getting from longs in there. I love TikTok. Tap that screen, tap that screen. Let me get 10 likes. Wow, what a rip city up. Damn. I'm telling you right now, we missed this fucking move by like 0.75. We just missed that move from. What's up, DJ? I haven't seen you in a minute. How's I know you were thinking about going live. Did you ever go live? He's still in here. I don't even know he's in here.
In 5 minutes' time now, at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time, ECB's President Lagarde is due to be giving a speech at the dinner preceding the Charlemagne Prize ceremony in Aachen, Germany.
Mr. Bastard with the
will be made
love.
available on the
Appreciate
ECB
you.
site.
Appreciate you. You were loading a long when that shot up? Yeah, Maverick. I think we just missed that, dude. I'm telling you, we just missed that. It sucks. It's alright. We're back to green at least, you know? I love TikTok. All right, we got another area of interest here in the 30-second chart. Let's go to the 1 just in case so we don't get a little silly. Ah. Oh my god, I was looking at the wrong chart, guys. We would have got this long. Oh my god. Fuck. Would have been beautiful. Look at the green dot and everything with the hammer. Hammer. Break. Green. Fuck. It's alright. Might be able to get a little, might get a little scalperoo here to the downside. Alright, I'm going to short just a little. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy because this looks kind of V-shape-ish. So if we come down like 503, like I'm going to get out. For the win, you know, a nice little quick scalp win. Come on, drop. I gotta put on my fucking Bully Bears indicator. For some reason it fucking... came off. Don't know why. I gotta change it all back to what I wanted. I think I did like 3 and 4, right? Let me go back to Bully Bears bounce. We'll look at the settings on Discord. Zigzag 2. Just can't get enough. Might want the next one. Fuck.
Shortly expecting comments.
I keep
from
getting
ECB's
green and giving it
President
back.
Lagarde.
In day. Mr. Rabando. There's a couple levels up here. I think it's gonna diddy around though. Do 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 do. So that's the way I like my bully bounce indicator. You can barely see it, but it's got the percentage 50%. I probably can make that a little bit brighter, but we'll work on it in a second. Keeps getting denied in this fucking block, huh? I mean, it could be a V-shaped recovery. We got two levels here. This is very hard price action, so if you guys are fucking up, don't beat yourself up. This is really hard. Yeah, this thing is V-shaped recovery, bro. What the fuck? This is so annoying. The pullbacks are just rip fucking city, dude. I'm on a treadmill yet. Rip fucking city, man. Alright, I'm gonna add fucking two more here. Got denial on the 32nd. 1 minute still has a little bit higher, around 340s. Look at all the overboughts too. Like, it's not like we're crazy. It's just that the market is weird. Really weird. Look at the 5. Wow, right back up. But this could be doing a lower high. X of death too on the 5s to the upside. 15 minutes strong to the upside. No follow through again. Yeah, it's really weird. So what's been happening to me is that I'm right. Well, I wouldn't say I'm right. So it breaks past a little bit past what I think is going to happen. And then it continues after. So it makes me feel crazy and wrong. And then it does what I want to do. Go down. Okay, so I'm not that crazy. I kind of want to just take this out. Let's focus here. Holy, put on Wilkinson, come down. Okay, is it a good song? It better be. Wilkinson. God. Well, I got out. I want to see how it reacts around 334s. So this could be the short again. You owe me 50 you owe me 50 taps what for the song. 50 taps, 50 taps. Sounds pretty good. A little fast. What bows up must come down. Ah, I get it. I get it why you said good for a short. Fucking thing went way down past I thought. We'll see how it reacts around 81s. What goes up must come down. Oh yeah, I gotta ask for my my Lucid accounts, guys. Let's see. Should I just ask for 2? Okay, I submitted for 2. Let's hope. If not, I gotta start giving money out of my own pocket here. Did you guys all sign up for the Tradeify challenge? When am I coming to the UK? You think the UK is worth visiting? Do I watch boxing? Sometimes if it's a big name, cowboy. Like this UFC fight this week with Gina and what's her name? I'm excited for that one. I hope Gina wins. And come stay with you. I don't want to do crack, bro. I don't want to wake up with my pants down. You know what I mean, cowboy? It was a joke. Is UK worth visiting, though? In your opinion? I look after my... I got you. I'm just joking. I was messing with you. What do you think the UK is worth it? London is? Yeah. London's probably sick. The guy Gary trades was a UFC fighter. Damn it! There's another person that could beat me up. Damn it! I thought I was gonna take the belt for that one. But if he's a real UFC fighter, he might get me. Yeah, Strickland, man, that was crazy, right? Strickland won. Damn, that upsets me, Mr. Bastard. I guess I have challenge if we do a boxing match of the day traders. It also depends on what weight class he's in. If he's a $140, I'm still taking him. If he's anything like 180, he might get me. Those fuckers are crazy. Is he big, Mr. Bastard? Cowboy says I prefer boxing and pole dancing. Yeah, summer's coming, baby. Summer's coming. I was doing this every day, but then I got my wisdom teeth taken out, and it fucked my whole flow up, bruh. Fucked my whole flow up. It was a nice reset, though. I lost like 12 pounds. I don't know if it was muscle, but the Don King hairdo. I will so support you, Mr. Bastard. Trading Nasdaq futures. We're waiting to see if these levels touch at all. He's like 170. I'm 230. Pretty lean. I'm the one who knocks. I would say I'm a pretty good fighter, but I'm not UFC fucking ready at all. And I'm getting older. Daddy's getting older and more calm. You know, when you get older, you're like, is it worth fighting? I don't know. That's what you weigh, but all fat? I don't think so, Mr. Bastard. I bet you got the hard fat. You probably got that bear strength. I can feel it. I can feel it in your personality. You got that bear strength. The price action moving very, very slow right now. Nico, thank you for the share, bro. I wouldn't foot with me if that's what you were saying. Nah, yeah. You probably got that grown man strength, bro. Especially if you've been in the there's something wrong with you construction people. You know? There's something wrong with you construction people. Yes, definitely hard work. Trying to get my son. He's gonna go to the So in high school here, they offer you to go to like a Votech school. I convinced him to go for electrician. You know, I think that's a safe bet, just in case to fall back on if he doesn't want to do it. I feel like it's recession proof for now. You know, there's so many different things you could do. You could be a lineman. You could be in the helicopters if you want. You know, if you want to go more robotics. There's all different kind of styles, you know? Or maybe we'll have a Bully Bears Jr. at one point. If I start working and say, fuck this life. Coming from an inspector, Sparky is a good choice. Yeah, I think it's a good choice. And it's free, bro. It's free. I think they'll start him out at like 70K as soon as he graduates. Maverick says linemen make good money. Yeah. I think it was a good choice. And you know, I think it's a good idea. And then if he wants to continue this career, you know what's crazy is that like he's starting to get into like he's asking some questions about day trading. Like I didn't want to force on him and like hate him because you know the attention span of these kids are fucking crazy. But I can make him into a prodigy. You know? I could cut his time and make him see like a god. Industrial? Yeah. That's why I'm like, I gotta get him into trading, man. I think soon, once he gets into that work life, he's gonna be like, fuck this. You know, like the rest of us where we're all like, why are we working? $500 is kind of K? What's that mean? I see a clip on X of a day trader spent $2 million on one of Gaia? What do you mean, cowboy? That last part. Man, we're getting buys in shorts in the same area. Very, very choppy. My buddy got in with the military doing electrical, and he's multi-millionaire. Yeah, dude. That would be sick. Also, like, I feel like my side of money could help with that, too. Like, I can help him compound if that's what he wanted and make a nice business, you know? I could make him a millionaire, I think. Oh, wow. I see a clip on an X of a day trader spent $2 million. I would never. You'll never see me spend any kind of money for any girl. What the hell? Use my. And I can't even talk like that. I'm gonna say no girl is worth that money. I'm sorry. That's crazy. Mr. Bass said I'll come work for him. Yeah, I think I can scale him up pretty easily. Business wise. Obviously, there's probably way more to it. I can learn. Daddy can learn. He was overweight. That's kind of why would he put that on X? That he spent $2 million on OnlyFans. He went on a podcast. I see it on Next. Bro, he must be a phenomenal trader spending $2 million on OnlyFans. And what for? Like, he ain't getting that later on. So, like, why the fuck would you spend that much money? Yeah, it looks like we're grinding. I don't know. It's going real sideways. I want to wait. We got a chance here to deny, but then, like, you have a lot of levels to the downside. You would have to scalp this for sure. See how it's, like, denying here? I think the most money I would ever spend on OnlyFans is $5. Does that get you anything? 9 minutes, Nico. Good call. 9 minutes, MOC. Yeah, I bet you it shoots up more too. We can hopefully it pulls back a little. We'll try one micro. Fuck it. I kind of feel like it wants to go up too. Straight gamble though. Straight gamble. Oh, this guy's a spammer. I kind of feel like this might be a good entry. I'm going to do one now. Again, I'm repeating. This is just a guess. The MOC is going to be bullish. Okay, guys? Just a guess. What do you think is a good, a nice 20-point free? 20 points free? That seems pretty good, right? Did get a denial here. It might sell a little bit. Maybe we should have waited like 5/16s. Hi, Powers. How's your trading today? Better? Very good. Did you trade Nasdaq? You did strictly gold. Okay, we got 7 minutes, 11 minutes to MOC. If you guys aren't familiar, MOC is when the Fed adjusts their book. They need to either inject money or take money out. You'll see a huge influx at 350 exactly. Sometimes it could be very weak. Sometimes it could only be like $10 they took out. It could be 2 billion. It's been pretty high lately though. MGC is morning. How morning? Like before 9:30? Hit or miss for me. $2 a.m. You waking up at 2 a.m., girl? This is what I'm talking about. Go to bed. You're bored. As long as you don't force trades, you know, if it's there, then you could take it. But like, that is a problem sometimes. Like, if you're bored and you're like, you're just like taking trades. That's you? Yeah, that's why I pointed it out. I think sometimes like you become such a better trader. But you come on weird times where the volume's low.
Acquired 10,000 low-cost cruise missiles in 3 years.
The volume's just low, you know what I mean? I think there's a way to combat that a little bit. If you do like the ATR indicator, I think you could do like if it's over like 10 or some shit. I'd have to look into that though for you. But me, I just look at the chart. I'm like, is it moving or is it not? You know. We got 4 minutes left, guys. 4 minutes. MOC injection, or are they gonna retract money? They're gonna take money out. The actual was at 6 a.m. Yeah. See, like, it's so sporadic. That's the problem with that. I like the 9:30 volume to 11. Because you know it's going to move. You know, is it going to move in our favor? No fucking clue. Well, at least it moves. And you're not sitting there fucking digging out your eyes. Because you're like, please, just go somewheres. You're either going to be wrong or you're going to be right pretty quick. Most of the time. All right, how many of you guys think there's going to be injection at 350? You think the Feds are going to put money in? I'm thinking they are. I think injection. I only got one micro long. Again, it's risky. It's risky. So please don't put money in there that you can't afford to lose. Because I could be wrong. This is probably like a 50-50 guess. I'm thinking 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion injection. All right, 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. Woo woo! Let's go! Hey, the tower game wasn't working for a minute. I just calibrated. Hopefully it continues to work. Let's see. The dungeon game. I updated my profit. You guys can go in there and manually change it if you want. Just be true to yourself. You know? This is where we got now. You got the tier 1 is you're cleaning the rats with Nova. Tier 2, poor family, Apple Jacks. Right now they got 0. They didn't update it yet. Tier 3, comfort. You're chilling with a TV. We got some couch. We got some electricity. And then guess what the top tier is? Guess what the top tier is? The Soul Collector, baby. Gems, riches for life. That's my new game. My new game, if you guys want to play it in Discord. All you got to do is upload your P&L. Be honest. We're going to know if you're faking it. And AI, if you do the upload of the picture, tells you if you photoshopped, so. Party all day, baby. I think it's going to get all whack. What's up? Let's be happy. We are happy, Martin. Time to put in a buy or sell 20 points. All right.
Markets on close imbalance.
45 seconds left. 45 seconds left. I have no damn idea. Totally a guess. Totally a guess. We don't know. It's a guess. You got 20 seconds left before they either inject money or take money out. It's the Feds. They adjust their books at this time. Let's see. Let's see. 10, 9,
10 seconds.
5. Going up 100%. MA says. I'm thinking up 2. I don't know why. Whoa!
Market
Whoa!
close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side.
I'm adding another one.
8 billion. Nasdaq 100 sell side 1.8 billion. Dow 30.
Wow!
82 million. Mag 7 sell side 568 million.
That's a big sell side. That was a big sell side. That was a big sell side. $1.8 billion. I think that's what I heard. See, look, this is a lucky draw, you know?
They say money can't buy happiness.
Yeah.
Look at that fucking smile on my face.
That is a big candle. I want to
They
add
say
more
money
in
can't
to see
buy
if we can get it
happiness. Look
out,
at that
but
fucking smile on my face.
I'll do one more. Again, fucking gamble. Might be red on the day if it doesn't recover. Thank you for the gift, Texas. It was a fucking gamble, guys. Fuck. This thing's ripping down. Stop the bleeding. Stop the bloodshed. Stop it. Yeah. It was a gamble play. Fuck, that was a bad gamble though, huh? Woo, that was a bad gamble. Let's see. Come on, brother. Give me a bounce. All right, numbers are in. $1.7 billion to the sell side. Fucking huge. Huge. Hopefully it's going to be a sympathy bounce, guys. Let's get a sympathy bounce. Because that was a huge, that was a lot. Kind of, if it goes too much lower, obviously we got to just take the L. Was a lot. We were way wrong on that today, huh, boys and girls? NH, did you short that? Dude, the whole fucking market got shorted there. Aye. Nice, nice, good job. You think it longs now? We're in an area of interest for sure. Whoever went short, congrats. Yeah, congrats. Not me. We're down $800 on that. That was a huge candle. Those would be a sympathy bounce. See now though, I kind of want to fucking add one in, but look at the 30-second. Nada, bro, nada. Hopefully the 55 candle gives us that push up. Sometimes it does. I don't know. That was a lot of fucking... That was a lot of money taken out of the market. A lot. Oof. There's that 55. 20 seconds left. Fuck, dude. A lot of money in that market that just came out. I do want to add two more, though. The final. We could get a bounce here. This is probably the do or die area.
It's been 10 minutes time now after the closing bell at 5 minutes past 4 p.m. Eastern time. We get Cisco Systems Q3 2026.
No, I'm adding. This is a spot that I would normally trade.
With an estimated revenue
Here.
of $15.57 billion.
This is a spot I would normally trade. And it should go to 96s. This is a spot that I would go long in, yeah. This here was the gamble. You know, we tried to see if we can guess the MOC. We were wrong. But this is the spot that I would buy. Clear rejection. You got your hammer candles, wicks, and then break to the upside. It should go to at least at least 495. Or it could just be too strong too, because that was just a lot of money taken out, guys. It was a lot of money taken out right there. Get back this fair value gap. Come on. Light them up, up, light them up, up. Guys, hit that follow button. 40 of you in here. Hit that follow button. Let me get one follow today. Jeez.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Destiny, welcome to the Sound Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, I'm on a standing desk with a treadmill. Do both, you know? I'm more of a... I don't have much time, you know? So I gotta put things together. Ain't bad making money while on a treadmill, huh? Not bad. Really needs to fucking rip up a little bit more, though. Thank you, Martin. Come on, go up. It's gonna break up. Come on. At 4 o'clock. Let's go. V-shaped recovery. You've been doing it all day. You've been doing it all day. Book back going crazy? I'm sure it is, dude. Look at the volume footprint. All right, Delta slowly building up. Yeah, look at these buy orders, dude. Big sells into buys. 1.4, 1.3, 300. Only one negative here. Well, that was a pretty big, oh, see, it's getting eaten alive here. So the Delta, negative 900 here. That was a little bit big. We need this to rip up for sure.
It's been 5 minutes time now. We're expecting earnings from
Whoa!
Systems Q3 2026.
4 o'clock.
Estimated DBS of $1.04 with an estimated revenue of $15.57 billion.
Get up there. We're so close. Fucking almost 2K. Oh my god. Almost 2K more negatives. But they can't hold it down. Which tells me there's some secret buyers in here, guys. The sellers look like they're winning. but they are not winning there. It was a negative 0.7, 1,079 volume. You got the next candle. It did not go down.
Alphabet shares are up 3.9% to hit a fresh record high.
This is volume footprints on the candles. Go to volume footprint. You know, when you pick a style. Definitely some traders in there. Oh, man. What? So what I did there was huge delta volume. It's not going down. There's obviously buyers in there. And look, the next candle, fucking 1.2K to the upside, dude. So these are probably
Nvidia
institutional
shares
buyers
up
where they don't show their
2.8%,
orders.
extending its winning streak to a sixth day now.
Come on, you're right there. Get up there. Oh, what time did I get on today? 1 o'clock. The schedule. I switched it to 1. I didn't get home till 7 a.m. Alright, let's see here. The Delta winning here. We need this to rip up, dude. Still got 19 seconds left. Indicator? If you guys have, I believe, like, the upgraded trading view, this volume footprint is free under the candles. I'm just curious to see what's happening with volume. Remember, we had a lot of downside. This isn't big enough here. We need this to, oh, fuck, that scared the piss out of me, guys. That was a huge-ass spider that just fell. Crazy. Ah! You guys almost saw me fucking have a heart attack. Bookmark. No, this is like tick volume, so you can't see the future. It's only like what's happened. It's not, you an order flow trader now? No, I've always been order flow on stocks. I've just been curious to see on how it's winning. I don't need it for futures. Just curious. So it looks like Delta's starting to win here. Not by much though.
Shortly
Like
expecting earnings from Cisco Systems.
Cisco, that's huge. Cisco should be bullish, right? If it's not, it's gonna be detrimental here.
Daddy,
Dude, I was like fucking
Daddy,
$10
is that
away. I
you?
think I was
Is
green
that
for a
you?
second too, bro.
Juan Estrada, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Need this bad boy to go up, dude. Okay, look at the volume in the 5-minute. We're still negative delta. But it's still not going down. Is that, you get what I'm saying? We got huge volume to the downside and it's not going down. There you go. Yeah, don't go crazy on this. I only do this for
Seeing
penny
Cisco
stocks.
Systems coming through now. Third quarter revenue comes in the beat of $15.8 billion on estimates of $15.57 billion. Adjusted EPS a beat of $1.06 on estimates of $1.04. Gross margin
Should be ripping.
which is a miss on estimate of 66.2. The remaining performance obligations at $43.46 billion, which is a beat on estimates of
A beat.
$43.27 billion. Product revenue, a beat at $12.12 billion on estimates of $11.79 billion. Services revenue, it's a miss at $3.72 billion on estimates of $3.82 billion.
Get up there.
They see their fourth quarter revenue in the range of $16.7 to $16.9 billion, which is a big beat on the prior estimate of $15.82 billion. They see their fourth quarter adjusted
No,
gross
it's a
margin
beat,
at
dude.
65.5 to 66.5%, which is a miss on the prior estimate of 66.6%. And they see their fiscal year adjusted EPS at $4.27 to $4.29, a beat on estimates of $4.16.
We got to see what their future is, though.
Shares of Cisco Systems up around 1.8% in post-market trade, following their boost to revenue forward guidance.
This is what really killed us. NVIDIA. Come on, we go, Chief. Let's go. Delta 500. We're at 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. Look at that volume. We got huge volume, dude. Total orders. Look at the orders. So it's fighting, right? It didn't go down much lower. Stop. Next one was up. The other one was a huge downside, but it didn't continue. There it goes. There it goes. Still negative delta. Come on. There you go. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. Bang. With the Rockets, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Balls of steel, bully? Nah. It wasn't that bad. It was a gamble at first, but this area down here, this is Gucci. This is Gucci. My bully blocks are fucking great, guys. I'm telling you. They're fucking not bad. Right? We got this going across. What happened? Look at it. Look at it. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Breaks to the upside. Yeah, we pull back a little bit. It's because of the Cisco earnings, right? They were waiting to see. It's bullish. It's fucking bullish. Came out. It beat. And they're saying that they're doing good for the next quarter. Bullish. I think I want to take it out here, though. Take the 300, right? 580 bucks. $580 today. Not too much for what I usually do, but we'll take it, right? Green's green.
Ending gains up around 11.6% now in post-market trade.
Green is green, right? Do I want to fucking keep going? Yes, I do. It was. But, did you see, like, it didn't show loads of buys, to be honest with you. If you want me to show you, what's this one? Volume candle. I don't know what that one is. See what this is. Nice, Nico. Nice. Let's see. So if you look at the volume footprint here, this is what made me look. Yeah, of course it was double bottom too. I bet you it's divergent. So, yes, we started to gain a massive amounts of buys here, but then what happened? It started to come back down, right? We had you know, a negative 0.79k of deltas to the downside, and then it kept draining down. This one was it the 5 that showed me better? There we go. Huge fucking selling here, right? Price did not go down. If you look at the delta, you can see that the buying happened at the end, right? Towards the bottom of the candle, showing that buyers were pretty in there. And then we just had that monster roar. And we're still in, you know, still going up. So, if it's not moving with the orders, then most likely you got big time dogs, right? The big dogs, they can hide their orders, guys. We don't have to see it, trust me. I've seen it firsthand on plenty of stocks. So yeah. Yeah. Guys, if you're not following, hit that follow button. Yeah, definitely. Let's look and see if there's a double bottom, too. You don't need what I was looking at. It was just more of a confirmation. What the fuck indicated down here? Oh, that's why it's down here, you little shitheads. You little fuckers. Where's my fucking bully bounce, bro? There you go. There you go. Okay. So bottom right on, you see the candle here? It made a low, right? Pulls up. You look at the RSI. Definitely made a low. For sure. Oh, look at this little sweep. We made a lower low. Did RSI make a lower low? No. So it's showing you that the sellers are getting weak. It's called divergence. Sellers are getting weak. You go to that volume footprint, and what did you see? Massive amounts of selling. But it wasn't dropping. Sellers are weak. Next candle started fucking roaring, and that's when we got our money out. Fully Black was perfect. It called it for sure. Been calling it a lot. All right, boys and girls, I gotta get off for the day. Daddy's gotta get a 10-minute workout in, and then I gotta get ready for work. And I'll be on tomorrow. Tonight's my last night, and then I have the next 4 days off, so I will try to get on early as I can. But what an amazing speech. You think it was good? I think I explained it pretty well there. But yeah, I'll try to get on early. Like I wanted to get on at 10:30 today, but when I get stuck at work till 7 a.m., dude, I need to be rested for the next work night, because if I don't get rest, you know, I can get hurt, other people can get hurt. So good to have, you know, some shut eye. Other than that, I will try to be on 10:30. If not, I'll update the times in Discord on the thing. No matter what, I am off for the next 4 days, so I gotta man up and get up for you guys. Free Discord in the bio. If you guys want access to my indicators, join the VIP section. It's the only thing that I charge for. 30-day free trial. After that, it's $1 a day. 30 for the month. Extremely cheap. You guys see me make thousands of dollars all the time. You could also lose it if you're a fucking dummy, like me sometimes. That happens. What else? The two prop firms that I use is Apex and Lucid. Use code BULLY, all cash, BULLY. I believe Apex has dropped a 90% off deal again. It is $35 for a end of day drawdown, which is pretty good. The activation fee, I could be a little bit happier with that, but they'll work out the kinks. Let's see. One day to pass too. It's still really good though, guys. There's no other prop firm where you can make $125,000 a month. So eventually we'll get it up there, you know? I just wanted to go slow, build it up confidently, nice and easy. And then you know, we'll start getting those 100K payouts. We'll do it. We'll do it. Yeah, I'm out. I gotta get ready for work. Other than that, I think that's it. Code BULLY. Lucid. Oh, I just requested Lucid accounts. Hopefully they approve it. It says pending. Pending. Hopefully they do, so we can do giveaways, okay guys? We'll do giveaways soon. Other than that,
Bully Badgers out, doses. See you guys tomorrow.